Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys? Today I'm going to tell you how to replicate this logo into your own logo. So first of all, do not let it, and let's start it. Make a new layer with the traditional 1920 by 1080 resolution 72 because I am not going to print. If you want to print it, then you have to make it 300 and change the name. I will take it logo and press OK. So here is the new document. Pick the paint bucket tool. I have changed the color to red. You have to change your foreground color except white. So I have choose this red. After that, pick the ellipse tool, press shift and make a circle, and then change its color to fill to white. Cancel it. After this, you have to press Ctrl A, and you have to choose the move tool, then press second option and second last option, and then press enter. Ctrl D for deselect. Then again you have to make a new layer front of it, and make an ellipse again. Make it by pressing shift. So change its color again except white and red. So press enter, and then again move tool, take it here, press A, the most easiest way to set in center, and then Ctrl D to deselect, Ctrl T to transform, hold shift and alt to make it more big, like here. Press take, and then you have to hold alt and select this second layer. Go to layers, combine shape, subtract from the shape, front shape. So this is the layer that this is the shape that we want to make. So press Ctrl G to make a copy of it, and then again Ctrl T to transform. So hold shift and alt and make it smaller, and OK. Then you have to pick this path selection tool and zoom it, and you have to select the inner side of this like this. If you select here, then it will select outside. If you select here, it will select inside, because we we have to make it thick. So select transform tool by pressing Ctrl and T, hold shift and alt to make it smaller from center, this. So it is OK. Now again you have to make a new layer. After it, ellipse tool, press shift, make an ellipse, and then press and change its color to again to blue. Enter and move tool, Ctrl A. So make it in the center. Ctrl D to deselect, Ctrl T to transform, hold shift and alt, make it big like this. Press OK. Ctrl J to make a new copy of that layer. After that, Ctrl T, and then again shift, hold and alt, make smaller. OK. And then again, because it's the same color, so it's not showing, select this. This time you have to unfill this, stroke it and make it black. Make its size to something like 9, and a stroke style to this dotted line. Then after this you have to make it copy again. Press Ctrl J and zoom out, Ctrl T to transform, Shift and hold Shift and Alt to transform it from the center. So this again, Ctrl J, then again hold Shift and Alt. Oh sorry, first we have to transform to by pressing Ctrl T, Shift and Alt. So make it little bit more bigger, press OK, and then you have to select this dotted line. After this, what you have to rasterize these three clips, this here, this one here, and this one here. Rasterize these layers first, and then you have to press Ctrl and select this. First we have to select this, press Ctrl and then select this ellipse that is behind it. So make a mask of it. It is the completely opposite that we want. So press Ctrl I for this and hold and hide this layer, so it will display the red color behind it. After this you have to select this layer and then again hold Ctrl, make a selection of it, select the background and make a mask of it. It is again the opposite. So Ctrl I, and now again this, it is the transparent background. Now again select this, make a selection of it, but now you don't have to choose this red background. You have to choose this layer and mask it. So Ctrl again, you have seen there is a red background. Ctrl I, the background is transparent, this is showing. So after this select this, shift, select this and Ctrl G, group it. But we have to do one thing, that you have to not to hide these two layers, as that the left that is outside. Again pick the type tool, right Akar, shift Ctrl T, make it in the center, Ctrl A, move to make it correct in the center, Ctrl D, Ctrl T, hold Shift and Alt, make it more bigger than your logo, sorry, and then make it little bit more bigger, and then make it, rotate it little bit like this. After this press OK, make a selection of it and then select the group layer, make a mask of it, again press Ctrl I. So you have seen this, there is a selection in the background. And you have to select this type layer and make it fill to 0. After this go to the blend option, strokes, make it 18 and press OK. After this, group these two layers, Control G, and then place the picture that you have present here in your computer. I have this picture, place it, make it transform from the center like this. Sorry, Control Z, Shift, OK. Then last, create a clipping mask. So there, this is the final logo, but to use it you have to change its background. Like, go here, blending option, gradient overlay, and overlay, go there. We have traditional black and white, but we have to make it something like gray, like this. OK, press OK. And here, style, radical, reverse, and make it scale to 150. Press OK. So now you have this. Then you have to make it color more shine. So go there, and there is curves. Make a clipping mask and then make it here. So now it's good. And then again, to enhance colors, hue, sorry, not hue and saturation, go for vibrance and make it 100%, and also make it on clipping mask, so it will only on logo. And now the logo is completed. So now you have to save it. Save as live from my computer. And go with PNG. I have first with the name of logo, so I will make it something like logo. So save it. Now save it smallest, slow, and then interlace none. OK. Then you have to open a new file to show you how to use it. And I have this picture, open it, then place the logo that we have there, Photoshop, compile, and there is the logo. This is the logo that we have. Sorry, we have done one very major mistake. When we have to make it a PNG, you have to hide this, your background. You have to hide your background. Then you have to save it, save as, and logo, make it something like this. Just I'm going to show you, that's why I'm saying like this, saving it like this, PNG, save. OK. So you have here, then file and place. Now this is the logo that we have to made. Come here, press Control Shift and hold Shift and Alt, make it smaller, and then make it here, and OK. Now this is the logo that we have created, and we have shown it. I have shown you how to make this, and now our logo has been completed. If you have to save it in the picture, So you have to just apply unhide this and then save the picture. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Never and come back again for more tutorials. Thank you.